Sani bado kuna siasa. Wakati Kenya inapambana na janga la corona, kikundi cha Patel Brotherhood nchini Baraza la Hindu hapa Kenya walitoa msaada wa chakula na barakoa kwa shirika 6 zinazoshughulikia watu wasiojiweza mjini Nairobi. Hii itasaidia wengi waliokumbwa na hali ngumu ya maisha wakati huu wa virusi vya corona.
We want to thank Patel Brothers and the Hindu Council for the good work that they are doing, donating foodstuffs to the family. And we, as the organization that have come here to receive this food, we are just like a bridge, and we are going to reach them to the family, vulnerable families. And we want to say asanteni sana and God bless you.
I work under Imbenzi Foundation, and this foundation will normally take care of widows, orphans, and a children's home. We have a children's home in Nairobi based in Mutuini, Dagoretti area, and we have orphans and widows back in Kakamega that we normally cater for. And we'd like to say thank you so much during these COVID-19 times. We know things are not easy for everyone. Even in the village, it's very hard for people to get food as no one is going out to work. So I'd like to say thank you so much, and may God bless you.
It's a great honor that we are doing this small presentation to the Team Pankaj. And we are grateful, and we hope, we pray that Kenya becomes safer and a better place to stay.
This all the donation come, we threw out last from 4 weeks. We are donating other 2 institutions. One is Turkana, and second we done with the Red Cross. Turkana we given 300 kits, and 500 kits we given to the Red Cross. And this, if it COVID-19 continues, we all our committee members, we think to do another these events like this donation.
As a community, we tried that this is the time when we have to get together and find a reason that yes, we are extending our helping hand. Hindu community, as you all know, are always been pro and forefront to support our own brothers and sisters. In this particular situation, it is becoming more important. And that is what we are seeing today live. Few of us, those are here. And I can tell you, and whole of the community across the country are taking reason that we can get together and we can help our brothers and sisters. Those are in need.